Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter video not playing. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter video not playing, you should just go to settings like this. Then when you will see this list, you will go down to click here. You will click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will go to click here, Twitter. Then in this page you will go to click for stop. After that you will enter to storage. When you will end this, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.